Hi everyone, welcome back with me again at this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a black border to your video in Capcut. So first, you need to prepare your clips and add it to Capcut. Then go to overlay and then add a black overlay from the stock videos. Okay, you can fit the size like this. Then I'm going to trim it and copy it and put the second one under the first one, so in here. And then after that, you can add a keyframe at the start of each overlay, so it will go like this. And then on the first overlay, drag the overlay to the top like this, then the second one to the bottom. Okay, so next, click on the first overlay and move forward a bit, add another keyframe, and now drag back the overlay to the bottom. Drag it a bit like this, then do the same for the second one and drag it to the top a bit. Okay, and then after that, click on the main clip and copy it, set it as overlay and put it under all of the overlay that you add. Now click on the clip, go to cutout and remove its background. Okay, after that, go to layer and set it, change the layer. Okay, after that, here is the result, and you can see there's a black border in your clips. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.